Listen up, you beautiful, sexy bitch. I did not come here to play. I came here to be sassy, to be unhinged, to be feral, and to help my icons, not my icons, but my community, my icons, how to manifest their dreams. And I'm here to fucking tell you that the only thing standing in your way is your mind. Not the ugly bitch down the street, not the teacher who told you that you will never be something good because you're not talented, not the coach who didn't fucking put you in the game and made you feel like you didn't have enough skills, not the dumbass choir teacher who didn't put you in the choir because you weren't good enough. No, the only thing standing in your way is your mind, baby. And I'm going to read you something from the Neville Goddard book before we get into it. Hi, my name is John, and I'm telling you right fucking now, I'm not your new favorite celebrity, creative, fashion designer, gym owner, reality TV star, producer, singer, sold out tour artist. And I love to teach people how to manifest their dreams, but not just the people. I love to teach the icons, the visionaries, the self-manifested celebrities, the girlies, the gays, the theys, anyone that was really ostracized by society, anyone labeled weird, hi, this is your place. We love weird people over here. Welcome. But listen, all the ways to work with me are down below. Obviously, we have readings. We have the Iconic Manifestation Coaching and the Iconic Healing Masterclass. The Healing Masterclass will teach you the tools that I've used. You're not limited to those tools though, but I'm teaching you the tools that have helped me go from depressed to iconic and manifesting my motherfucking dreams. Okay, it's only a little bit more than a cup of coffee, and it's so easy. I swear, the next day after you get it, you'll wake up with a boner for life. Okay, but only get that if you're really if you're really ready to change. Also, follow me on Instagram. Know that my reels deserve more attention and love. And I know you also stalk your ugly ass ex 5 times a day to see if they're with a new person. So you can look up your favorite, which is me. Okay, so in here we have, there's no stopping the man who can think from the end. Nothing can stop him. He creates the means and grows his way out of limitations into ever greater and greater mansions of the Lord. It does not matter what he has been. Okay, this is the important part. Sorry. It doesn't matter that's what it says. It doesn't matter what he has been. That's literally what it says. Or what he is. All that matters is what does he want. Okay, first thing here, it doesn't matter where you've been, doesn't matter what you've been through, doesn't matter your past, doesn't matter whatever you've been through, doesn't matter. Doesn't fucking matter, bro. What do you want? What do you want? Where do you want to go? What do you want your life to look like? He knows that the world is a manifestation of the mental activity which goes on within him. Mental activity, the way you feel, the way you think, your inner conversations. Also, I don't know if everyone's brains will work like this, but if you're like me, my memories come in as visuals and not just thoughts. So that's why I really love the visualization, because I'm just a natural visualizer, I guess. So that's why I love daydreaming, because my mind speaks in visuals. So if I think of a traumatic event, I see it. In his imagination, he dwells in the end. Okay, dwell in the end, live in the end, confident that he shall dwell there in the flesh also. Okay, he puts his whole trust in the feeling of the wish fulfilled and lives by the committing himself to that state of the art of the fortune is to tempt him. So, okay, whatever. So long story short, okay, nothing is standing in your way. No past event, no circumstance, no heartbreak. And because I know that you've taken those limiting beliefs and now they're fact for you. Okay, they might seem fact for you because they're fucking screwed into your identity, but they're not actually fact. You can change your fucking story. The only thing standing in your way is the mind, your story, your identity, okay? Sabrina Carpenter wasn't born more worthy than you. Ariana Grande wasn't born more worthy than you. Whoever you look up to wasn't born more worthy than you. You have the same amount of worth as these superstars, these pop stars. You can be your own superstar and pop star in whatever way that looks like for you, obviously. Okay? And let's unpack this part. Feeling of the wish fulfilled. To me, the feeling, it isn't just actually feelings. It's, yes, you're waking up feeling excited for life. It doesn't mean it means like get excited for what's to come. That's what it means, the feeling state. If you had the love of your life, I'm sorry, you wouldn't be miserable. I get you would have other problems, but if you had the perfect relationship, you wouldn't be miserable. You would be bouncing up and down. If you didn't have to clock into your job right now because you make a full-time income just waking up and painting or posting your content, you'd feel flow, you feel ease. So wake the fuck up from tomorrow morning and every morning on, giddy up, giddy up, giddy, giddy, giddy as hell. Giddy as hell. I want you to wake up with a smile on your face, okay? Like Cameron Diaz's character in Charlie's Angels when she wakes up and she's bouncing up and down to good-ass music. That's how you need to wake up. That is the feeling. Okay, you're excited about life because you deserve to be here and you deserve to go after your dreams. Don't play with me. It's the thoughts, it's the feeling, it's the identity, it's how you speak. Everything you do, I want you to do it as that person, okay? Celebrity version of me. I'm sipping this with so much ease and confidence. Like I deserve to be here. I'm ordering my food from the waiter with confidence. I'm relaxed. I love being in conversation with people and making them feel seen. If I had millions right now, millions of fans, I would I would love to, taking time out to talk to them and take pictures with them is going to be like the highlight of my life. Okay, so start doing that now. I can't go around saying how much I hate people. No, like what you want is going to make you have to be around people. So I had to start changing the way that I started showing up. And even though my toxic corporate job really makes me hate people sometimes, I really love connecting to people. I really love people. So, act as that person. Every single detail. When you make your bed with ease, with flow, with twerking for the universe, with gratitude, because you have another chance of breathing. You have another chance of this beautiful, magical life. Today could be the day that your manifestations come forward. You're so excited. You're locked in because you know that a higher power put you here. You know that you have no choice but to get your fucking desires. It's a fact, point blank, period. So you make your bed with happiness and giddy with a smile on your face, because today could be the day you get proposed to. Today could be the day you post that video. It changes your life. Today could be the day that you go to that Target randomly, you bump into the sexiest soulmate ever. You wake up every single day with a heart on for life. Don't fucking start with me. And throughout the day, you focus on being your best. You focus on being happy. In your mind, you're changing your thoughts. You're changing your thoughts. Thinking is not that hard. We do it 24/7. So just start. Oh my God, I'm so pretty. I'm so beautiful. Or get specific. Oh my God, I'm everyone's favorite content creator. I'm everyone's favorite content creator. Everyone loves watching my content. My content is literally so bingeable. I'm literally so amazing. I'm so hot. I'm so sexy. Like I am. Like I'm in love with the love of my life, and I can't wait to be here. Like throughout the day, I do have obviously parts of the day where I'm more focused on a specific desire, like being a full-time content creator, or having going viral on social media again. But also throughout my day, I also try to just basically affirmation rampage in my brain, going off about every area of life that I want, just affirming whatever the fuck I want. I'm not focused on a specific desire. So I have moments in the day where I'm not focused on specific desires, and I just want to affirm just an overall more better story about life and about everything. And then I also have times of the day where I want to focus on my one specific desire. And that's just the way that I do it. That's just the way it comes naturally to me. I'm all about, if we're affirming for one thing, why am I not fixing my mindset for everything else? So that's just how I see it. It all really depends on what feels naturally to you, but staying on top of your inner conversations. Like in my head, whenever I become aware of my goal of social media, I'm like, in my head, I'm like, I love being everyone's favorite. I love being everyone's favorite. Like it's so crazy. I love reading all the nice comments, and it's so cool that I can just be myself and things blow up and all the right opportunities come to me. Like I deserve it. Like I literally deserve it. It's like inner conversations, right? But the only thing standing in your way is like the mind, right? So I remember, there was this period last year where every time I go live, it was just like sadness and me complaining that my views were low. And that was me in that state of feeling unwanted and no longer valuable and no longer wanted or needed by the people, right? And that was the state I was living in. I was getting up and repeating that story every single day, and I just saw more evidence of that. And now I'm in a more stable environment, and I'm focusing on, I'm seeing life kind of look colorful again, and I'm seeing abundance again, not money wise, but just, in my mindset. I love being here. I love being in, I am realizing that things have a way of working out, and at the end of the day, everything is going to be okay, and we're going to be so supported through change. But this stable environment that I'm in now, even though it's bringing up other kind of struggles like finance, I'm realizing that first I needed to get to a peaceful environment so my body can feel safe and I can get back to being myself again, which is the happy, sassy, in your face kind of campy person. And I think that is helping me get back to the version of me that feels worthy, that's creatively inspired, that loves the content that I'm putting out, and it's translating better because now my TikTok videos are picking up again, my business is picking up again, and it's just about locking into the story, because the only thing standing in our way is our mind and I guess our discipline in changing our mindset through the affirming and the visuals and the inner conversations. That's the only reason why we can't have what we want, is ourselves, our identity, our brains, our minds. So lock in and start thinking from the end. I don't care how cringy it sounds. I don't care how annoying it sounds. It's like, you need to do this if you want your dream life, or you want that change, or you want that transformation, or you want that happiness. Like, if you really want to change, you change your mindset. All right. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for tuning into another video. I love you guys, and you guys like saved my life. And thank you for always just watching and listening, not just on YouTube, but on all my other platforms. And thank you to the souls that end up supporting me with my offers, whether you get anything down there. Thank you so much for supporting me. And thank you for liking, sharing, and commenting. It really helps me reach my goal of becoming a full-time content creator. And I couldn't do it without any of you, and I love you. And like I always say, if anyone ever gives you shit for being who you are, tell them I would kick their ass.